there. How are you all doing? I hope you're well by God's grace. And if you're new here, I say a warm welcome to you. On today's menu, we're making almond milk. For this recipe, you would need raw, unsalted almonds. So you just need 1 cup of almonds, 4 cups of water, and that's it. If you want to add salt, you can add salt or whatever, but the basic is 1 cup almonds, 4 cups of water. All right, now we need to soak our almonds overnight, which I have done here. These were soaked last night. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and rinse them, have them ready in the blender, and continue the process. Alright friends, in here I have 1 cup of almonds washed, and I'm going to add 4 cups of water that I've already measured to it. At this point, you want to go ahead and cover the blender and blend. Friends, this is the finished product after blending. You will then want to go ahead and strain the mixture. I'm using a strainer with a fine mesh. That way we're getting all the chaff separated from the milk. Alright friends, this is the chaff. You don't want to throw this away. You can use this in baking cookies and doing other stuff. Like you can dry it and use it for anything that calls for almond powder or almond flour. So don't throw it away. Alright friends, here is the finished product. You have your almond milk here. And you can use it for anything, smoothies, your tea. I'm gonna use mine to make papaya smoothie. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you in the next one. God bless you.